When he snores, he has the best jowls. We call it the Mr. Egg. So it's like, he's all about love. And that's one of the things about rescue dogs. They know that they're rescued, and they give you that love tenfold.
I love it. Okay, let's check out the snoring.
This is Colonel, a boxer, number 7.
Colonel received an official badge from the Sierra Club for climbing more than 100 mountains.
So he clearly earns his deep, noisy beauty sleep.
Could you please step forward? Please step forward.
And our judges' chosen 3 are Colonel, Tank, and Peaches.
Congratulations, Peaches. You are best in snoring and have advanced to the finals.
Best in snoring is number 76, Peaches, an American Bully.
Let's go to the leaderboard.